In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove words and filler words in Descript. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to web.descript.com. Once the site loads, open the project you want to edit. This method is especially useful if you want to clean up a recording quickly without having to trim everything manually on a traditional timeline. Descript works by letting you edit your media through the transcript, so if you can edit text, you can edit your video or audio. After your project is open, look through the transcript and find any words, phrases, or sections you want to remove. When you see something you don't want to keep, simply highlight that text directly in the transcript. Be careful to select exactly what you want to cut, because Descript will remove the matching part of the audio or video automatically. This makes the process incredibly fast, but it also means precision matters if you want your final edit to sound natural and clean. Once the text is highlighted, press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Descript instantly cuts the corresponding section from your video or audio. This is one of the biggest advantages of editing in Descript, because you don't need to scrub through waveforms or make manual cuts on a timeline just to remove a spoken word or sentence. If you're cleaning up interviews, tutorials, podcasts, or voiceovers, this can save a huge amount of time. If you want to remove filler words in bulk, go to the top of the screen and click Actions. From there, select Remove Filler Words. This tool helps you quickly find and purge common filler sounds like and ah, which can make your speech sound less polished. It's a great option when you want your content to feel more concise and professional without hunting down every filler word one by one. As you use this feature, it's a good idea to listen back to your edit afterward. Removing too many filler words can sometimes make speech feel a little abrupt, especially in casual conversations, so a quick review helps you make sure everything still flows smoothly and sounds natural. And that's it! Open your project in Chrome, highlight the text you want removed, press Delete or Backspace to cut it instantly, and use the Actions menu to remove filler words in bulk for a faster cleanup.